Saw this earlier, but I didn't stop, so I didn't know. So I think this is it, right on the highway. So there's camper up there. We probably have to camp down here. And these are the toilets. So maybe pick the first one. I don't know. First campsite is right here. Let's drive around and see which one is good. The first one is right next to the highway. This one is further, but the toilet is farther too. So I don't know which one we should get. Maybe I'll just wait here. Let's see. Spaces. Maybe next to the, close to the highway and close to the toilet. This first campsite, I stopped. There's no phone signal, so I don't know. Trying to find I am trying to find a phone signal because that first campsite right there, where I park, there's no phone signal. So what I will do is just take video for now and then drive around. Maybe up there there's better signal, but right here there's no phone signal. So this is the restroom. So it's got its own restroom. So it's a Sacramento Pass Recreational Area. So there's prehistoric people who lived here. And then there's where we park. There's trails. And then there's lower loop. So there's also a trailhead campground. This is the lower pond. So there must be a pond here in the middle. Oh yeah, right there. There's a pond. It is public land. So Ron Basso, a man of wisdom, is dedicated to him. So that's the guy. And this is the restroom. Check if it's clean or not. So it's a regular vault toilet. There's a pond here. I don't know if there's fish or not, but there's a pond in the middle of this park. And there's fish. Table. with no cover. Basically, it's a pond. Being out from the pond, so I'm still trying to find the phone signal here. Though we're just close to the highway. So there's the thing says use Department of Interior, Sacramento Pass Recreational Trailhead and campground. So you can bring your horse here if you want. What I need is phone signal. So there's already a neighbor up there. Maybe that's already a strong signal. They have also tent, so they have only if you can camp here. It's right by the highway. And so there's a trail here and you can walk. Trailhead. So walk, bike or horse only. It says to Sac Pass Trail. Then do not use fire or shot something. And I will try to see if I can get signal. We're walking towards the highway and that's where I park for now because we're trying to find cell phone signal. Sorry. That's going west. That's going east towards Utah. We're already in Nevada. This is the sign at the entrance. They have a big cattle grate, so cows cannot pass. I don't have to stop. Anyway, that's where we are now. So we're just walking back to the car, and want to know if there's signal up there up that hill. So we'll try to walk that way, the other side. Campground has firing, a grill, but it's locked. I don't know if we're not allowed to do anything. And the cover for the picnic table looks very new, like newly made. So it must be either this campground is new or it was renovated. And then my car. Surrounding hills and a view of the other campgrounds, mountains, and our neighbor. I think there's another campground there. There's an equestrian trailhead, so if you have horses you can go that way, and there's also a campground there. Then you can camp there and bring your horse so you can ride it. Must be some trails. So the lower portion there, the picnic, that's my first choice, is that number one there because it's close to the restroom. But there's no phone signal because it's in a depression. So up here, higher elevation, I'm catching a weak signal, so I could boost it if I need to, but I can still use it if I put my phone at the back of my back seat, the top of the back seat of the car. So I'm camped right here. Good morning. Looks like sunrise, and I almost missed it. It's just coming up the mountain on the side, and I'm still in my camper. So I saw the sun and I was just like, hey, I need to take a shot of that sunrise. Very nice.